Hello herbivores, welcome back to our channel, A Word a Day. Let's go with our fifth personality trait. To develop a good personality, one needs radical thinking, creative ideas, and imagination. Now, the question arises is what is radical thinking? Which is our fifth personality trait, radical. There are different meanings of the word radical. You must look at the context in which the word is being used and decide its meaning. One meaning is given here, which is a person who has strong convictions and follows principles, an extremist. The other meanings can be a far reaching idea or a person who thinks very deeply. The examples are his opinions are always radical. She is a radical thinker. Become radical, which is the base of an ideal personality. If you've liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't miss out the last video of this week tomorrow. And do not forget to watch the Sunday special video too. Thank you so much for watching the video.